In this video, we will review how to use the card authorization feature for subscription and payment plan products. You'll start by navigating to the funnel and selecting the Products page using this tab here on the right. Here you'll see any products you already have, and you can click the edit icon to make changes, or you can click the plus icon to add a new product. So let's click into the subscription product that I have. We can scroll down to the Authorized card section and toggle this feature on or off. And if it's toggled on, we can choose an amount and select the type of currency. Then we will click Update to confirm our changes. Now let's discuss for a moment why you may want to use this card authorization feature. Maybe you have a $100 product, but there's a 7-day free trial and the $100 is due after the 7 days or on the 8th day. By toggling on this Authorize card feature, even though somebody would be able to gain access immediately, their card would still be authorized to make sure they actually have the $100 available that would be charged at a later date after that trial ends. This is the same concept for payment plan products. If you have a product that is $150 charged in 3 $50 installments, you could use the Authorize card feature to ensure that the purchaser does indeed have all $150 available in their account, even if only $50 will be charged at one time. Again, this feature for the card authorization can only be used for subscription and payment plan products. This is a great way for you to help safeguard your business. That's all for now. Thanks.